In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert watermarks in PDFs with Adobe Acrobat. A watermark is a faint piece of text or a logo that sits on your pages to signal status, protect content, or brand your documents. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can do it confidently every time. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. When the app loads, look at your recent files and click the PDF you want to edit. If you already see the file right there, great. Open it so we can work directly inside the document. Next, go to the upper left of the screen and click All Tools. This opens a hub of everything Acrobat can do. In that list, look for Edit PDF. This is the area that controls content and layout adjustments for your document. Click Edit PDF to enter editing mode, and you'll notice new options tailored to modifying your pages. In the editing toolbar, find Watermark and click it. This is where you manage adding, updating, or removing a watermark. Choose Add to create a new one. A configuration window will open, giving you a preview of how your watermark will appear. If you want a simple text watermark, click into the text box and type something like draft, confidential, or your organization name. You can adjust the font, size, color, rotation, and opacity. A lower opacity, somewhere around 20% to 40%, usually looks professional and keeps the document readable. Alternatively, you can insert a logo as your watermark. Select the option to use an image file, then browse for a high-quality logo, ideally a transparent PNG for a clean look. Once it's loaded, scale it up or down and place it where it's least distracting. Diagonal placement is common for text watermarks, while logos often sit centered or near a corner. If you see a button or a preview element representing the watermark you just created, double-click it to jump back into its settings quickly. This is a handy way to fine-tune without starting over. Keep editing until everything looks right. Tweak placement, rotation, and scale. Choose whether the watermark appears behind or in front of page content, and set the opacity so the underlying text remains legible. If your PDF has multiple pages, use the page range options to apply the watermark to all pages or only specific ones, like the first page or odd pages. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply the watermark to your document. That's it. Your PDF now includes a professional watermark. For best results, review a few pages to make sure everything looks consistent, and remember to save your file so your changes are preserved.